Reducing environmental impact and enhancing operational efficiency are increasingly prioritized within industrial manufacturing. These targets are achieved through various means, including adopting advanced technologies, implementing circular economy principles, investing in renewable energy sources, and executing sustainable supply chain practices. Henkel, a leading manufacturer of metalworking solutions, prioritizes sustainability through new product development and their commitment to net zero waste in their production facilities. Bonderite for Henkel is a line of lubricants, cleaners, and surface treatment products used throughout the pre-assembly value chain. Henkel continues to invest in new products that improve workers' health and safety and reduce product, water, and energy usage. For example, Henkel's next-generation semi-synthetic machining fluid is formulated without boron to reduce environmental and health impacts, and up to 6 times less defoamer is needed to compare to traditional fluids. Cleaning is an integral step in most metalworking processes. Henkel's biostable cleaner can be recycled into the lubricant bath to reduce waste, water, product consumption, and carbon dioxide emissions. Additionally, aluminum gigacasting is growing as the automotive industry favors lightweight materials and faster processes to reduce vehicle emissions and streamline production. Henkel's release agents have high dilution ratios and microspray applicability to lower energy, reduce product usage, and extend die life in high-pressure casting. These are just a few examples of how Henkel's Bonderite portfolio provides sustainability benefits to the manufacturing sector. We all play an important role in promoting sustainable practices to reduce waste, conserve energy, and protect the environment. Contact us today to learn more about Bonderite and how Henkel's processing solutions can make your operations more efficient.